Want to supercharge your workflows? With Vibrante-Node's Automation API and Scripting Console, you can automate, batch process, and control every part of the app using Python. Open the Scripting Console from the Window menu. Here, you can write and run Python scripts that interact directly with your node graphs and the app itself. The console comes preloaded with powerful objects: app for high-level app control, scene for manipulating the active canvas, registry for accessing all available node types, git for project source control, and print for instant feedback in the console and event log. For example, add a node with a single line: scene.add_node_by_name, open parentheses, quote, math_add, quote, comma, open parentheses 100, 100, close parentheses, close parentheses. You can connect nodes, set parameters, and even execute the entire pipeline, all from your script. Batch process complex workflows, generate patterns, or automate repetitive tasks in seconds. With the Automation API and Scripting Console, you unlock true power user features, combining the flexibility of code with the creativity of visual workflows.